Hello, my name is Anne and this is Toby, and welcome to a Tobyknits Vlogmas day 22. Oh, 2 more days to go. Today is cleanup day, although there might be a bit of an interruption because the football game's on. So I'm gonna be watching that in like an hour. So I have an hour to do a little bit of housework. Did I ever tell you I actually don't like doing housework? So, good job football's on. Yeah, so anyway, let's open some Advents, and we'll start with day 11 of Ginger Snap That, the Gnome Advent, and this is the yarn that we're opening to make either Mr. Knightley or the Snowman that I shall be starting on December 31st. I don't know which one I'll start with yet, but let's see what we've got today. Oh my goodness, that's bright. Oh, that is bright. Isn't that bright? Oh, I love that. Gosh, I don't know where I'd put that in our little box of tricks. I can barely get this box to stay closed now with all the colors. Look at them all. Look at all these colors now. This is plenty to make all kinds of different gnomes. But anyway, in that goes. And let's see if we can get that put on. Okay, perfect. And so day 22 of Toft, and that feels like another centralizer. And it is. So we have had 4 of these now, and we've had 2 T's, an O, and an F. Anybody know what that spells? Yeah, Toft. So here is our final centralizer. They're really pretty. And I did say yesterday, and Carla, the F I will be using at a later date for the front of my pieces of knitwear that I'm working on. Because these are just so gorgeous. It's hard, you don't want to just use them once a year or for this one project. So I shall be using that for something else. So there we go. There's that one. And that leaves us with Bothy Threads Day 22. Now, oh, it did come with a thing. So Day 22, long and thin. I think this is a pair of scissors. Oh, it is. It is. Whoever wraps these up does such a brilliant job because it's hard to get them out. Oh, I love these. Okay, so I already have a pair of these, which is fabulous because you can never have enough pairs of scissors, in my opinion, for any of the project. I like to keep 1 pair in every bag I use, whether they're knitting or cross stitch. These are brilliant, and I'll tell you why these are brilliant. If you look at them, well, number 1, they've got on their happy stitching. But number 2, if you look at the edge of the scissors, it kind of bends a bit, which I find great when you're snipping close to your fabric because it's bending away. And so it doesn't snip by accident something you don't want it to snip. So I love these scissors, and they do come with this little thing, but I never use it. It's just going to go in the bin because they'll be going into use immediately. So let's see. How many times have you said, no, not these scissors? They are my good ones. Well, here's a brand new pair for you. No more blunt scissors, for now at least. What is the difference between the Christmas alphabet and the regular alphabet? Fa la 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 la. No. Let's see if Bob knows the answer to this. Okay, so Bob, what is the difference between the Christmas alphabet and the regular alphabet?
I don't know.
You have to have a think.
The elves are different. I don't know.
No. Now this one took me a few minutes to get. The Christmas one has Noel.
Oh, jeez.
Get
I was
it?
close.
Get it? Noel. Noel.
I was close.
You were close. Okay, thanks. Say hello, Bob.
Hello, Bob.
Okay. So, thank you for that, Bob. Appreciate it. Okay, so let me show you what I got up to last night. You'll be quite surprised, actually. One thing I didn't finish. Well, actually, maybe two things, but one on purpose. So, as you know, I worked on her the day before and got her all gussied up with her embellishments, but no, I have not done their hair. I didn't do either doll's hair, which was yesterday's clue, just because I was too tired. I did finish the boy. Now, I've decided my boy's not having any laces on his shoes. He's got slip-on shoes. So, you know, that's just a thing for him, slip-on shoes. And I did the waistband and around his hat. I did his neckerchief. And I put the collar on his shirt. And his little bag that I just dropped has now got its little string through, his little market bag or whatever. I guess it's for the breadcrumbs. So that's done. So I was quite pleased with myself that I did manage to get him finished off. I also then worked a bit more on this weird shape thing, which I have no idea what this is. Absolutely none whatsoever. We did add our other stitch marker. So we do have the three of them in there. And I have no idea. And it's got all kinds of like shaping to it, which is a snail. What's that got to do with Hansel and Gretel? Okay, now somebody did say that I read on Instagram. Somebody said, and I can't remember. Who can remember the story of Hansel and Gretel? I know they got lost in the woods and they used breadcrumbs to find their way home. But then they found this house and the witch was there and she put them in a cage and she was going to eat them. I forget what happened after that. Who rescued them? Does anybody remember? Because was this the thing that rescued them? A snail? No. Somebody put that they thought it was a swan. I'm not quite sure that could be a swan, although today's clue, we are adding to this, so it might help us. But again, I don't remember how Hansel and Gretel ended. Who saved them? And I don't have that book here. So if you know, please comment below, because I don't remember. So that was good. So I'm going to finish whatever this is first for today's clue and then try to work on their hair. I did do a teeny little pigtail, obviously, for the little girl. There has to be two of these. But I didn't, I kind of wanted to plait, and this doesn't really do a good plait, I don't think. So you can't even see, but I'm trying to plait this. I don't know. Anyway, I'll have to figure it out, what I'm going to do for the hair. I also worked on the cuff. I got the cuff done for the Arn and Carlos stocking for Bob. So today, I think while I'm watching football, I will attempt to break for the heel. I think I've only done that once before. But he did a really good tutorial. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to be able to follow it. It looks okay. So I'm going to do that. And then I did work on this last night, but that's as far as I got. I was so tired yesterday. I don't know what was wrong with me. I had a 2-hour nap in the afternoon and I was in bed and asleep at 10:30 last night. So I have to finish day 21 and then do day 22. So, but, here's the but. Football's on this morning, so I'm going to watch that. And then Tristan's coming over to bake with me. So, I don't know how much I'll get done today. Anyway, before I go, Pam asked me yesterday about my cowl that I was wearing in my video yesterday. And this is called the Sound Wave Cowl. And it was a Advent cowl from Ellie Jones of Craft House Magic in 2022. So this was her Christmas Advent, or her Christmas Advent project for her minis. And it took 12, and I love it. So the cowl I'm going to be making Christmas Eve, which is another Ellie Jones cowl. It's the Frostbites cowl. It's going to be very similar to this, the same size, I'm guessing, and the same layout, but not having a pattern on it. It will have the little baubles, snowflakes, if I choose to do them. But this will be kind of what it is. And it's a really nice cowl to put on. It's a perfect size. It's covers your neck and your chin when you've got a jacket on, so it's not bulky. I really like this cowl. I go for this a lot when I go out, and then I can just turn the colors and decide which one I want depending on what jacket I've got on. So this is a nice, I'll leave a link below to the pattern that you can get on Ravelry for this, but that's what that is. Okay, I am going to go and do housework for 40 minutes before the game. Talk to you later, bye. Toby had a bath. And who helped him have a bath?
Me.
You
Who's
certainly
me?
did.
Me.
Who's me?
Kristen.
Tistin.
Hello, buddy. Hello, Toby. Oh, that's good, eh? Oh, you're still wet. He's still wet.
And give it to me.
Oh, he doesn't want to be picked up on. He doesn't like the bath, so he's going to be very, very...
Drying himself
There he is, trying to
again.
dry himself. Eh? There you go, eh? There you go. There you go.
Tristan, did we
Okay.
bake cookies today?
That's us.
What?
Wait, let's take a photo together. And count down.
Hello, I am back for my final check-in of the day. It is about 10 past, quarter past 4. Andrew's here and Tristan is here. Tristan came over this afternoon. They were all gonna go public skating, but the Zamboni broke or something, so they couldn't go. So they ended up coming here instead, right at the end of the football game. But that was okay because they still had to watch it with me. And apparently they're staying for tea. So I've got some chicken thawing and we're gonna have chicken with rice, I think. What else happened today? Oh, while I was watching the football, I got the heel put on for my Arn and Carlos stocking, which is finished. I am so happy I got this finished for Bob, and I even did a little taggy. I crocheted that on, and yeah, I'm really pleased with how it came out. Now I did give it, I didn't block it, I didn't wash it and block it. What I did, which I'm not sure if I should have or not, was I got the iron and I wet a towel and put it on top and then pressed down, which I think did an okay job of it, but oh, I just love it. So that, I'm not gonna line it, I'm just gonna leave it as is, and we'll hang them up. And the toe and the heel. That was fun doing that heel, actually. It was a different heel that I've ever done before. And yeah, so I'm really pleased with it. So that's done. I did not work on my top because the kids have been here. Excuse me. And I didn't cross stitch. So that's basically all I did. I managed to get the heel done and finish it off. So yeah, tonight I'll probably work on the toft or the cross stitch. I'll probably only get one or the other done. What? Imagine, right up till the end, I fall behind. Ugh. Anyway, I am going to go now, so I will see you all tomorrow. Day 23. Oh my goodness. Okay, bye.